So we're just using some acrylic beads.
So pretty.
And some water beads, or also known as Orbeez.
Oh, wow. Oh, they're bouncing everywhere.
They are, they're so cute. Right. These have little hearts in them.
So cool.
And I just found all of these supplies on Amazon. You can also get them at your local craft store.
Yeah.
They're little hearts and roses.
Oh, cute.
Like that.
It looks like a top. Oh, wow. That's so
cute.
fun.
Look at those. There we go. Filling it all the way. Just like that. Perfect.
Wow.
Beautiful. Set it right down on our silver platter. We have some beautiful roses here.
Oh, how cute.
You can use real roses if you wanted to. I just had these on hand.
How festive.
And it would make our centerpiece last a little longer with these.
For sure.
Just crafting roses. Gorgeous. A few more little red ones on this side. Oh, there we go. A little pop of color. Pretty.
Yeah, the pink and the red, so cute.
Yeah. You can use any colors you want to. If you've got like a lot of purple in your house or whatever, you just mix and match with your color schemes. Yep. Here comes the water.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
It's so pretty. I love the way these centerpieces turn out.
That is so cool. Oh, you can see like the little roses peeking out. Oh, I love it.
Isn't that so pretty? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna top it with our candle.
Oh, wow.
This little floating candle right there. And just like that, we have a really easy and beautiful centerpiece for Valentine's Day.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.